What's poppin'? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. What's up with it? What's up? What's up? Hey, Diane, good morning. Thank you for being a channel member. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you. Yes, we hit 19K, baby. 19K yesterday. So what we got to do is we got to run it up to 20K. I want to get 20K by the end of this month. I've been literally grinding on content every single day. I've been grinding. So either we get to 20K by the end of the month, or I'm going to have to go back to Vegas and go to Fremont Street and self-promote again. Either or, it's up to you guys. But just know if I go back to Vegas, there will not be the live streams in the morning. So I think it's in your guys' best interest to run it up to 20K subscribers. Yes, G Fuel, Elizabeth. Yes, you know how it be. But yeah, so yesterday took off some of that GDX swing, and then we got all out of that HIG. It got really close to that price target. Contracts only went up like 25%. It wasn't huge. I am looking to get back in. I do want to see a pullback probably to that trend line, and then we'll look to get back into that position. But yeah, it took 20-25% and then got stopped out break even. So not a terrible trade, but I was kind of hoping for more. We do have CPI today at 8:30. So, I mean, I guess we can look for setups. One of them being gold. But yeah, we're not going to know for sure until 8:30 comes around and CPI drops. But let's look for some setups. Hold on. I do not know why Neo is on my screen, but that is not okay. Good morning, Alan. Again, thank you to the channel members. I greatly appreciate you guys. Let's start flipping through Airbnb. Can we even... I wonder if we can trade puts on this today. The 155 puts aren't bad. Get it below that post-market low, take it back to yesterday's low. It's got a nice 1 hour squeeze. We can put Airbnb on watch for now. Either everything's going to invalidate, or we'll have some nice setups today. Throwing GLD on the list. We'll come back to that one. Good morning, everybody. AMD absolutely tanked yesterday. I do want to look for a continuation to the downside on AMD. Below 96.6, that'd be nice. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Alan. Elizabeth, yes. Let's see, CMC. I'm looking to get that swing. Costco, I don't think we're gonna get the breakout on Costco, which is unfortunate. Chevron's up today. Still not really interested in Chevron until it's above last week's high, so actually, hold on. Yeah, we're gonna look at Disney just because I don't know if you guys saw the news over the weekend of the leak conference that they had. But I do want to see something happen on Disney because of that. Come on. There we go. Also, for everybody wondering, I'm planning on having the ebook pre-orders out by not this Friday but next Friday. The ebook is almost 500 pages. So be ready for that. Yes, remind me of CRWD in like 20 minutes and we'll look at it. But if you guys could, real quick, make sure to click that like button. We got 130 people up in here and only 56 likes. Make sure to like it up. Once we hit 150 likes, that is when I will drop the watch list. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's run it up to 20K by the end of the month, baby. Also, while we're talking about getting to 20K, in case you guys did not see, I'm doing a giveaway on my Twitter. So if you go on Twitter, type in @Carhorn, CARWHORNS. I'm doing a $100 giveaway for 5 winners. All you gotta do, retweet, like, subscribe to the channel, and you're good to go. I'll pick winners once I hit 20K subs. So I'm trying to figure out a price for the book. I'm thinking anywhere from $40 to $50 for the book. Just because I put so much time into it, I'm not going to sell it for only 20 bucks. So yeah, probably ranging anywhere from 40 to 50. We'll see. Again, it's almost 500 pages of straight fire. Facebook, I'd like to see to the downside. GDX, still holding that swing. GDXJ, looking for a swing. We're going to look at GLD today. If it can break above this pre-market high, look to take it higher. NVIDIA. Yeah, it's going to be at Carhorns, CARWHORNS, right here. CARWHORNS. NVIDIA below yesterday's low. Maybe a little scalp. Oh, it's got a big daily gap, huh? Okay, maybe a little scalper above pre-market high. Take it back to yesterday's high, and then from there we got a nice little gap. Pretty overextended on the daily time frame. So I would like to see a pullback up to that 5 EMA. NVIDIA. What's Tesla up to today? Not interested in Tesla. Exxon. I think I'm gonna drop it on my fiance's birthday, which is May 14th, and then I'll have the pre-orders out on April 22nd. Maybe I'll drop it before, because that's a long time. I don't know. We'll see. But plan on it to be dropped somewhere in May. Maybe Exxon today. We'll see. Boom. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 140 people up in here and only 82 likes. We got to hit 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list. So make sure to like it up. And then we have our CPI data coming up. Here's that CRWD, by the way. Let's see. I don't like how it gapped up. If it set like a solid pre-market high, then I'd be interested, but personally, no. We're not trading Apple. We are not even looking at Apple. We're taking that straight off. Boeing had a nice rip yesterday. Personally, I'd like to see Boeing to the downside. Below 174.64. Boeing. Coin hit a new low. Let's see, 150.12. I'll wait and see what happens to coin once it gets down to this level. It's got a nice 30-minute oranged out squeeze. I mean, I guess below 153 can take it to 151.73, 150.12, and then below 150.12 it gets a little ugly from there. So we'll see with that one. We looked at CRWD, Chevron. We looked at Facebook, Goldman Sachs, Moderna. Even that's squeezing really hard. Moderna looks interesting to the downside. We have a pretty big list today. There's a lot of setups. Microsoft. Not interested. We looked at NVIDIA, PayPal. Nice 1 hour squeezer. Four hours squeezed. Below all the moving averages. Oh, it's 8:30. All right, let's see what the CPI does. I'm trying to pull it up. I don't trade penny stocks. Well, whatever CPI was, I guess it was good. There goes all our puts. I don't even know what CPI numbers are. It's not loading. There it is. Let's see. Consumer prices 1.2%, consensus 1.1%. US March CPI X food and energy 0.3%, consensus 0.5%. Where's the core CPI? There it is. CPI month over month 1.2%, expectation 1.2%, year over year 8.5%, expectation 8.4%. Core CPI month over month 0.3%, expectation 0.5%. Core CPI year over year 6.5, expectation 6.6. So wait for this to get digested into the market, and we shall see what happens. But that just invalidated tons of the setups that we were watching, which is unfortunate, but we will make the best of it today. If anything, we trade QQQ and SPY. You guys ready to bank today, though? We're banking no matter what. If you're in Team Bull, we banking, baby. We'll come back to the futures in a hot minute. We'll see what happens. Let's go back to the watch list. Qualcomm, not interested. Raku, not interested. SQ, not interested. Cool. All right, so what we got on the list is Airbnb, GLD, AMD, Chevron, Facebook, Nvidia, Exxon, Boeing, Coin, Moderna. Yeah, we banking in Team Bull, baby. Looks like that gold squeeze finally gonna go. Come on, baby, fire for me. Can't believe that squeeze still has yet to fire. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call a hawk. I can't say the other word because YouTube will demonetize my live streams. But we call this the hawk. Hawk with a B. It's a 5-letter word. If you could put 2 and 2 together of what a big green candlestick and hawk is, that's what it is. We going crazy though. GLD is ripping. Wow. Hey, I'll take that, baby. Keep going for me. We got IAU. We got GDX. Yeah, there you go. You guys got it. You guys put 2 and 2 together. IQ level 200. Came in just as expected and a little under. So technically that's good for the market, but I can guarantee you that those CPI numbers are skewed. They're always skewed. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would mean the absolute world to me. We have almost 200 people up in here, 125 likes. So yeah, run it up to 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list for the day. And I guarantee you not all 196 of you are subscribed in here. So make sure you guys are subscribed. I want to try to run it up to 20K subscribers this month. If you click that subscribe button, you do get a bing bong. So it's a win-win situation. Oh yeah, what's Bitcoin doing? Because I just bought more Bitcoin the other day. Down like 3,000 from the entry. It's okay. I'm holding Bitcoin for the long run. All right, let's find some setups. It's always skewed down. Inflation is always higher than what the feds tell us or CPI tells us. Airbnb. Guess you're not going on the list today. This is really gonna suck. Absolutely hate when stuff like that happens. I have to come back to a lot of this. Actually, we were watching Chevron and Exxon to the upside. It really didn't move. Chevron's got a lot of resistance above it, so does Exxon. Man, I might not have anything for you guys today. Take off Chevron. Take off Exxon. That's my goal, Red Eagle. Have one of the most accurate analysis. I'm not going to say I have the most accurate analysis because obviously I'm wrong sometimes, but I try my best to be right as much as possible. Of course, Facebook broke. I just have to look for intraday setups. This is dumb. Everything I wanted was to the downside. So unless we get like a really hard rejection in the pre-market, again, I don't trade penny stocks. That's $1 million question, Red Eagle. If I could tell you that, I'd make $1 million today. I think we're gonna watch this Boeing short. I personally like Boeing to the downside. Could be completely wrong, but we shall see. Boeing, liking this to the downside, waiting for a break below 174.6 for puts, price target equal 173, 171.62, 169.77. Fine, Scott, I guess because you're a channel member, I won't call the market makers and tell them to dump it. I'll be nice. I'll play nice today. Tomorrow, a different story. Alright, so I like that Boeing short. Keep our eye on that one. Coin. You're welcome. Yeah, coin's gonna have to go because I'm not interested unless it's below 153. We really don't have any new subscribers this morning. What's up with that? I guess that Moderna squeeze is gonna fire up. Really only interested if it broke below 158.31. However, I don't think we're getting that, so in the meantime, just set an alert. Let's look at Walmart. Grizzly's favorite Walmart. Nah. Docu. Below all the moving averages, would prefer to see it to the downside. Target. I'd be interested above that 236. Oh, I missed the bing bong.
Bing bong.
There we go. Target, Johnson & Johnson broke out yesterday. Nope, smacked. That really effed everything up. Alright, let's run through the list one more time. If I don't see anything, then we got one stock to watch. Nope. AMD, like, are they only interested below that 96? 96.6. Not really interested in the upside. Same thing with Facebook. Same thing with Nvidia. And we got Boeing on the list, don't we? Which I think Boeing's probably gonna invalidate. Well, I guess we're just gonna have to look for intraday setups because I don't see anything that looks good. Might just trade SPY and QQQ today, or just not trade at all. We'll see. QQQ got super close to that 61.8% retracement. Remember, this was in Sunday's video, or not Sunday, Saturday's video. So, I apologize for not having any setups today, but nothing looks good. This is like one of those rare days that I don't have anything. I apologize, everybody. I hope you all still love me. I don't even like Tesla. True, we could scalp some corn and wheat. Good old corn. Jesus. What about some soybeans? The stuff that you can trade, it's hilarious. Yeah, I'm not even interested in Tesla. We'll see, ladies and gents, but I got nothing. I apologize. We'll probably have some stuff tomorrow. But SPY and QQQ is probably going to be my top priority today. You can hear it in my voice. I'm depressed. I'm leaving you guys with a single setup that's probably going to invalidate. But yeah, Disney. Thank you for reminding me, but Disney probably pumped too. Yep. Oh well. We'll kill it tomorrow, don't you guys worry. I guess I'll answer some questions for the next 5 minutes. If anybody's got some questions, run it up. Let's hear your questions. Good. I love you too, Sean. I love you, Zane. Adam, whatever Savage puts out for SPY and QQQ. What's AT&T have to do with crowd? I have no idea, to be honest. I just looked at my portfolio yesterday and saw AT&T was down 20%, and I got shares of WB something. I have a pretty big position in AT&T, so that kind of hurt. I don't trade Ford, it's too cheap. VERU is pennies. I don't trade pennies. I like to look for my squeezes. My intraday squeezes. Holding the moving averages one way or the other. Well, I typically buy market if it's moving quick, or you can get filled at buying the ask. Like yesterday, Johnson & Johnson was buy the ask. But if it's moving super quick, like Tesla, I'm gonna buy market on that. Let's see. Yes, Brad, I like to look for stacked EMAs, either stacked up or stacked down. Clearly, if they're all stacked down, which is what we're currently seeing, I ideally only want to look for puts. And then I like to look for solid pre-market support or resistance to time my entry. So that's why a lot of things invalidated today. Yeah, Brandon trades over me, Kevin. I'll take that any day, baby. Let's see. Do I think investors still looking to the downside? I personally think we go lower. I said this last week, but I could be wrong. I said Friday that I was bearish and market dropped like 10 bucks, but yeah, this thing is just, it's pumping. If anything, we got our gold swings going, IAU and GDX, so you know, I'm cooling. Plus I have tons of equity on GLD. I'm going to continue to hold that. It looks like we are finally about to get that squeeze of fire on the gold futures that I've been waiting for. We got a subscriber. Let's go.
Bing bong.
Bing bong. Hold on. There we go. Yes, I actually have 12 podcasts in my Google Drive that I haven't dropped. I just constantly keep forgetting. The first, oh yeah, the mentorship. So me, Grizzly, and GD are hosting a mentorship starting May 16th. So if you guys want to hop into that, I'm gonna drop the link in here. We have like 2 discount codes left, so if you guys want to hop in that. But the discount code is 100 off. Get you $100 off. We have 2 left. Once they're gone, they're gone. And yeah, other than that, you know, make sure you guys are subscribed. I got a video coming out for you guys tonight. If you guys didn't see the video from yesterday, make sure you guys watch that one as well. But yeah, I got nothing today. Let's just stay patient. 8+ setups only. If there's no entries given to you, then there's no trade whatsoever. Market's open tomorrow. Market's open Thursday. It's closed Friday, but typically it's open on Friday. And yeah, everybody have an amazing day. I'll be live tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Again, if you guys want to join the mentorship, run it up. But other than that, everyone have an amazing day.